Hello students, myself Dr. C.R. Chaugule, Head Department of English, Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. This lecture is for the students of BA 3 Special English. Name of the paper number 14 is English Poetry for the semester 6. Let us know the types of comedy. English comedy can be classified into the following types, namely romantic comedy, comedy of manners, satirical comedy, farce, comedy of humors, sentimental comedy, and tragicomedy or dark comedy. Firstly, try to know the romantic comedy. The term romantic comedy is a somewhat vague appellation which denotes a form of drama in which love is the main theme and love leads to happy ending. Perhaps the most popular of all comic forms, both on the stage and on screen, is the romantic comedy. Romantic comedy was developed by William Shakespeare on the models of contemporary prose romances such as Thomas Lodge's Rosalinde, the source of Shakespeare's As You Like It. Such comedy represents a love affair that involves a beautiful and engaging heroine, sometimes disguised as a man. The course of this love doesn't run smooth, yet overcomes all difficulties to end in a happy union. These plays are generally concerned with love affairs that involves a beautiful and idealized heroine. In this genre, the primary distinguishing feature is a love plot in which two sympathetic and well-matched lovers are united or reconciled. In a typical romantic comedy, the two lovers tend to be young and apparently meant for each other. A wedding bells, happy endings is practically mandatory. For example, Shakespeare's Much Ado About Nothing or Walt Disney's Cinderella. Second type of comedy is comedy of manners. The phrase comedy of manners is particularly applied in English to the plays of Restoration dramatists and especially to Congreve and Reckerle, but is a type of comedy which can flourish in any civilized urban society, and we see it again in Sheridan and Oscar Wilde. The English comedy of manners was early exemplified by Shakespeare's Love's Labour's Lost and Much Ado About Nothing, and was given a high polish in Restoration comedy. The Restoration form owes much to the brilliant dramas of the French writer Molière. It deals with the relations and interviews of men and women living in a sophisticated upper-class society and relies for comic effect in a large part on the wit and sparkle of the dialogue, which constitute a kind of verbal fencing match and decorum by would-be wits, jealous husbands. This form deals with the relations and interviews of gentlemen and ladies living in a sophisticated society. Excellent examples are William Congreve's The Way of the World, or Reckerley's The Country Wife. The main thrust in the comedy of manners is to make fun, not so much of individual human being as of social groups and their fashionable manner. Third type of comedy is satirical comedy. Satirical comedy ridicules political or philosophical doctrines or else attacks deviations from the social order by making ridiculous the violators of its standards of morals or manners. The early master of satiric comedy was the great Aristophanes, whose plays mocked political, philosophical, and literary matters of his age. The subject of satire is human wish and folly. Its characters include criminals, deceivers, hypocrites, fortune seekers, and satirical comedies resemble other types of comedy in that they trace the rising fortune of the central character. However, in this case, the central character is likely to be cynical, foolish, or morally corrupt. For example, Aristophanes' The Birds, or Ben Jonson's Olphony or the Fox. In its most extreme form, satirical comedy spills over into so-called black comedy when we are invited to laugh at events that are mortifying. Remaining types of comedy we will see in the next lecture. Thanks for listening me carefully and attentively. Thank you.